Welcome to another fabulous project for Media Asset Creations. And this is Kenya Cross. And we are going to be talking about Scratch. This week, I did my project on Scratch, which is a very cool interactive tool for young people to learn how to write code for animated figures called sprites. Now I created these two people here, not the sprites themselves. I got those out of the box. But I'm the one who programmed it to do that and that and this and this and this and to do this. Yee! Yee! Now, I'm sure you want to know how I did that, so I have to go back to the beginning. So, if you'll come along with me on this wonderful journey of Scratch using, then I can show you what I've learned. And welcome back to this week's project, Interactive Tools and Knowing How to Use Them. And as I give instructions, I believe this is part 1 and 2 combined here, Professor Joe, just so you know. I'm going to show you how I did it, and I'm going to explain what I am doing as I do it. So that should cover part 1 and part 2 in this one assignment. Alright, so here is what the stage starts off with, the cute little kitty cat. Now, this cute little kitty cat, although he's cute, I don't want him anymore. I don't want him, so I'm cutting him off. So, but what I do want is I want a surprise sprite. Ah, a nice parrot. Isn't that cool? Okay, I'm going to have that one, and I'm going to have the basketball. I don't think I like the basketball. So let's try something else. I don't want the basketball. So, let's see. Okay, the little boy. Yes. I do want those. Okay. So, this is what I did. I'm going to double click on the parrot or the macaw. Macaw! And with me double clicking on it, I'm making sure that that is the one that I'm programming. So now what I'm going to do is go up to Control. See Control? Go to Control. Going to click it, and these little yellow codes here is what I'm going to use to start telling my little sprites what to do. Now what I'm going to do is go over here and go on to when the green flag is clicked. I'm going to put that right there. Okay, now after I do that, I'm going to go down here to the same area and get the forever code and put that in there like a jigsaw puzzle. I really like Scratch because all you have to do is just connect these things here like a puzzle and it will work for you. And then after that, I'm going to go to sensing and I want to go key pressed, because what happens is when I press a key on the keyboard, it causes the thingamabob to move. I forgot what the name of it is. Oh, no. You know what I forgot? I forgot the if command. So let me go back to Control. Gotta go back to Control. And then I'm going to look for the if command. And there it is. So let me go down to the if command with my little pointer here. I'm going to connect that to this like a nice, neat puzzle. And now I'm going to go back to the sensing stage. And I'm going to choose key pressed. I'm going to put it in this little figure there that lights up. And then it says space key. Well, that's the original command. It doesn't show that I know how to use it. So I'm going to choose right arrow. So I'm going to make my guy, when I hit my right arrow, I'm going to make the bird there move. So I'm going to go up to motion. And motions have take 10 steps. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in here like a puzzle. It's got to be in there. Make sure it won't take, and the thing won't, and the sprite won't move if I don't put it in like a puzzle. What I'm going to do here is change the number from 10, which I have to do is double click inside there. And I'm going to put my favorite number, because it's the day that I was born, on in February 7th. Okay, so I'm putting a number 7 there. And what I'm going to do is I am going to go up here to the green flag, click on that, click on, and I'm going to test it. So right now, what I'm going to do, zoom out, I'm going to do the right arrow key and see how my bird moves. Ha! Isn't that cool? Okay, so now what I want my bird to do, so I'm going to actually make him go back over there by picking him up. I'm going to turn it off, and then I want him to move again. So what do I have to do? I have to go back to control, and I have to go find the if command. Okay, and then I can go to sensing. Can you see? Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Zoom, 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 zoom. There we go. Zoom in on the sensing a bit. Excuse my shaky hand. Click on that, and there we go with the zooming. And I go to the key pressed command again, put it back in there, and I go to motion, and then I'm going to tell it to move again. Choose the move command, and I'm going to put in here. Now because I want it to move the other way, to the left, it's like a grid, you know, like the old math graphing sheets. You know how when you go one way it's positive numbers and you go to the left it's negative numbers? Well, I have to put a -7 in, so let me do that now. Let me back up here. Ooh, too close. Okay, I'm going to put in a -7 and watch what happens now to my little birdie, my little toucan Sam. Okay, he's going to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left. Oh no, what I do is not working. Okay, I did something wrong. All right, that's okay. Hold on a minute. Hold on, let me go back. Okay, now this is why the program is new, and I'm still learning it, but I do know. I realize, see that area? See what I did with the key press thing there? I forgot to change that. Now, let me go and change it to the left arrow. And now, let's see what happens when I press the, ha! There we go. You see it? It moved. You see that? Okay. Move. Back and forth. And back and forth. Oh, oh. And back and forth. And back and forth. Okay, that's enough. All right, I think you get the gist of it.